young, and his mother would have to do something in outside and said to Nasruddin, "What are you doing, my sons?
Just read, mom.
I wanna go outside. You must watch the door, be careful, because now there are many thieves inside."
Yes, mom. But you must give me money.
No, 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 no. I don't have money, sons, and now I wanna go. You must be careful in
Oh my
here.
God.
Bye.
Okay, mom. Be careful.
Okay. And then Nasruddin sat by the door, and our Rachel, his uncle, came.
Ah, my uncle. Please come in. Please sit down.
Yes, where is your mother?
He's outside.
My family all together will be here in this evening. Go and tell your mother not to be away in this evening.
My mother told me I must watch the door.
Go and tell your mother that he will be here, whole family together. Right?
Yes, uncle.
And then his uncle come back to his home.
Be careful, son. I will back to my home.
Thank you, uncle.
Wait, wait, Mr. Wait. And then Nasruddin, having touched over and over, he finally made a decision. And then he pulled the door up, carried it, and went to meet his mother.
Aha! I have great idea.
And then, on the way, Nasruddin find his mother. Oh my God, my son! What are you doing here?
Uncle, come to home and say to me, fine, and tell you his family come to home in this evening.
So, why you bring this door?
You talk to me. I must watch the door.
My God, I just said with you, if you watch the door, don't bring this door.
It's because you, mom.
Oh my God, my son. We must come back home now because your uncle wanna come in our home.
No, because in here beautiful, mom.
No, no, no. My son is stupid boy.
You too.
No, I
Because
not
you're my
stupid.
mom. You
No,
stupid,
no,
mom.
no, no. My son, oh my
God.
God. You must improve this more, my son. That is good.
Yes, mom.
You're a stupid boy.
You too, mom.
No, 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 no. Okay, Okay, thank you for has watched this the short story of Nasruddin about what's the door. And the last say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.